Hello, welcome to my Sasim. Recently, I'm going to show you guys how to post on your Instagram account. So, if you want to know how to post on your Instagram account, since I want this video to the very end, all you need to do is to go to your Instagram account and then log in. After you're done logging in your account on your Instagram, all you need to do is click on the button on the bottom right, on the bottom of your screen. So, once you click on that, this is what you're going to be seeing on your screen. Here on the bottom, you can see post, story, release, and live. So since you want to post, so you're going to be leaving it on post. So here I'm going to be selecting this and click on next on the top of your screen. You can see that once you're done clicking on it, this is what you're going to be seeing. You can add the music feature, you can write a write-up, and you can see add a filter on it. So after you're done editing your post, all you need to do is to click on next as well. Once you're done clicking on next, here you're going to be adding a caption and click on share. So once content that is be posted to your Instagram account, so that is enough to post on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please do it to leave a like on this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.